guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So today I'm gonna do a really quick video just to update my curly hair routine, how I refresh my curls. Right now this is day 3 curls and I need a refresh because I haven't been sleeping with my bonnet or anything. So yeah, let's get into the video. So lately my hair has been really dry, so I'm gonna go in with a good leave-in conditioner and probably a gel just to hold my curls until the next hair day, because I don't really want to be refreshing my curls too much. So yeah, this is currently my curls. I did get a trim recently, but yeah, as I was saying before my camera died, I did get a trim recently, actually last week, and my curls just feel so much better because I had so many split ends and it was about time. So yeah, like I said, my hair has been feeling very dry and I need a lot of moisture. So I'm gonna go in with a good leave-in conditioner. This one is probably my current favorite right now. It just leaves my hair so soft. So I'm gonna be using this one, which is by Garnier, and it's the coconut hair food multi mask. You can use it as a deep conditioner, a conditioner, or a leave-in conditioner, which is amazing. So I'm gonna go in with this is the product, and then I'm probably going to go in with the Boucle Me curl defining gel, just a little bit, just to, I don't know if it's focusing. Is it focusing or is it not? But first, I'm going to dampen my hair with some water just to get it started. So you want to make sure your hair is not soaking wet, but just a bit damp, so then it can absorb the products properly. Okay, so now I'm just looking at the mirror, but now my hair is damp, I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner, and I'm literally just going to apply a little bit, not much. And I'm gonna start with this side first, and I'm just gonna put it in like this. I'm gonna focus on my ends because my ends dry up very quick, so I'm just grabbing a little bit more and applying it to my ends. I really like this leave-in conditioner because it's not like greasy and it's not too thick where it weighs down my curls, and as soon as you apply it to your hair you can literally feel how soft your curls go instantly, and it keeps my hair moisturized for a long time. Like, a little bit goes a long way. Just a little bit more on my ends, make sure my ends have some cream. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the curl defining. Whoops, oh my days, I just dropped it literally everywhere, literally just a little bit, and I'm going to like scrunch it into my hair. This is just so that my curl holds for longer. And yeah, okay, so now that I've scrunched in the gel into my hair, I'm just gonna let it air dry, and this is basically it. So obviously because my hair is now damp, it's not as big as how it usually is, but during the day as it dries up my hair is going to get bigger. But yeah, so this is just basically a curly hair refresh routine that I do just to get back some moisture, reduce the frizz and define some of my curls, because yeah, if you don't sleep with a bonnet or a satin pillowcase, expect your curls to not last. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos and I'll see you guys soon.